Welcome to this comparison of three popular artificial intelligence programs, ChatGPT, DeepCode, and Copilot. In this video, we're going to take a look at the key features and capabilities of each program and help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Let's get started. First up, we have ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool that uses machine learning to generate human-like responses to text inputs. It's been trained on a large data set of human conversations so it can understand and respond to a wide range of topics and contexts. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its ability to generate coherent and coherently written text. It can be used to generate responses to customer inquiries, create social media content, or even write an entire article. However, ChatGPT does have some limitations. It can struggle with certain types of tasks, such as tasks that require extensive knowledge or tasks that require a high level of creativity. Additionally, ChatGPT is not designed to be a standalone tool, and it requires a fair amount of manual input and oversight to be used effectively. Next up is DeepCode. DeepCode is a code analysis tool that uses artificial intelligence to identify potential issues and suggest improvements to your code. It can help catch bugs and security vulnerabilities before they become a problem. DeepCode is especially useful for developers working on large projects, as it can scan thousands of lines of code in a matter of seconds. Some cons for DeepCode is it may require some initial setup and configuration. It may not always provide accurate or relevant suggestions. It may not always be compatible with all programming languages and frameworks, and maybe not the one that you're using. Finally, we have Copilot. Copilot is a virtual assistant that uses natural language processing and machine learning to assist users with a wide range of tasks. It can handle tasks such as scheduling appointments, sending emails, and even making phone calls on your behalf. One of the key features of Copilot is its ability to integrate with a variety of other tools and services. This allows it to perform tasks that would be difficult or impossible for a standalone AI program. Additionally, Copilot is designed to be easy to use with a simple interface and intuitive controls. However, Copilot is not without its limitations. It may struggle with tasks that require a high level of knowledge, and it may not always be able to handle more complex requests. Additionally, Copilot requires an internet connection to function, which may not be practical in all situations. So which programs are best fit for you? It really depends on your specific needs and goals. ChatGPT is a great choice if you need a tool that can generate human responses, while DeepCode is ideal for quick generation of custom text. Copilot's a versatile virtual assistant that can handle a range of tasks, but it may not be suitable for complex or specialized tasks. Ultimately, the best program will depend on your specific needs and goals. I hope this comparison has helped you understand the key features of each AI and given you a better sense of which program is best fit for your needs. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, hit the subscribe button. Also check out this video on screen now, which compares ChatGPT and Copilot in more depth.